What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Claude Pro versus Gemini AI Pro. So what are the major takeaways which have better tilt in all the prospections and all the aspects. So the Claude Pro versus Gemini AI Pro, same, both comes with $20 subscription, and the Claude Pro comes with four or three different models. If I include 4.6 Opus, it comes with four different models. If I just go with the Opus 4.7, it comes with three top of the line models. One is Sonnet 4.6, which comes with the free tier as well, but it has a very limited bandwidth in the free tier. Now it comes with a larger, 5x more than the capacity of the free tier. As for the Gemini AI Pro, it comes with Gemini 3.1 Pro. Google DeepMind, it comes with multimodal, Google Workspace integration, deep research, whereas Claude comes with writing, coding depth, long documents. If we talk about the SWE bench verified real coding, the Gemini comes 80.6, where the Claude comes 82.1%. And for the arena coding ELO, the Gemini meaningful maps takes Claude, from a 130 margin. For the GPQA reasoning, the Gemini score gaps with a significant number of 94.1%, where the Claude stands at 68%. So this is a big gap if you guys can see it. So it doesn't mean that the Anthropic and the half of the Claude Pro is genuinely beating the Gemini in all the aspects. There are some aspects where it's clearly beating it with a significant margin, but there are aspects as well where Gemini is ahead of the Claude. By the way, Gemini is ahead of ChatGPT with a significant margin. So let's talk about feature by feature. If we talk about the model access, there is only one flagship model for the Gemini, but for the Claude, you have three different models. We have three different purposes for three different sort of users. So my point goes with the Claude in this one. So if we talk about the messages per 5 hour window, 5x free tier, daily volume, high daily caps, more generous across both free and pro. So the Gemini, I've been using Pro of Gemini, and I've been using Pro for the ChatGPT and Claude. I run out of credits on Claude very, very, very often, and I have never been run out of the credit on the Gemini Pro version. So this is a big plus point for it. Apart from that, if we talk about the context window, there are 200K standard and 1 million unlocked only using Opus 4.7, whereas the context window 1 million token standard on 3.1 Pro, no upgrade or toggle needed. So it's a very different thing that you have to pay $100 for to get 1 million context window for the Claude, whereas you get 1 million token context window on the Gemini 3.1 for $20, and there's a significant gap between them. Okay, writing quality, I would say, Claude take away this point very easily because it's very consistent, clear, better, nicer voice, precise tone control, avoids AI sounding patterns, whereas Gemini lacks in that aspect. So coding depth, I would say the point still goes towards the Claude, stronger on larger code base, multi-file work, production, refactoring. Whereas Gemini comes with higher raw generation ELO, better on competitive programming benchmarks, but the point goes for the Claude. If we talk about the multi-model, as the Claude doesn't have at the moment the image generation model, so the Gemini has Nano Banana 2, which is the top of the model in the AI industry at the moment. If we talk about ChatGPT, AI of Gemini, and then the Claude, the Gemini takes the point ahead of it, and I think multi-model integration, the Gemini takes a full point from there. If we talk about agentic coding, Claude takes it, and MCP connectors, the power features. If we talk about that, the Gemini has a lot of integrations that can be done on the Gemini pod. There are a lot of connectors that you can connect between Gemini. The whole environment and ecosystem works very well. The Claude lags in that space, but it's catching up pretty quickly. So if we talk about the integrations, the Gemini is very easy to integrate, native in Docs, Gmail, Sheets, Drive, zero setup required for the Google users. And for the honest and safety, I would say that the Claude has a model where it understands human needs and features very, conveniently. If we talk about data privacy, first by design, Pro Data not used for training, Google Data Handling Policy, a concern for some users and clients. So I would say that the Claude takes this point clearly, and that's the honest verdict. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.